Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram. In a glade where the wildflowers dance and sway, 5 vibrant ducks frolic and joyous display. With feathers of azure and gold's warm embrace, they quack merry tunes, filling the air with grace. Their laughter cascades like a brook in the sun, as they waddle and splash, each moment pure fun. Yet amidst this delight on the shimmering shore, a big colourful snail creeps slowly before. His shell swirls like rainbows dipped deep in the sea, a mosaic of colours as bright as can be. With eyes full of wonder and wisdom untold, he watches the ducks as their stories unfold. Dear friends, he calls softly with a voice like a breeze. Take heed to my journey, life's not just two seas. Though I travel quite slow on this winding terrain, each step is a treasure, no joy is in vain. The ducks pause their antics, they gather around. Curious hearts beat to his whispers profound. In tales spun from twilight and dreams painted gold, he shares secrets of patience but never grow old. Life's beauty, he murmurs, is found in each stride. In moments we linger where wonders abide, and under the arch of an emerald tree, the 5 ducks reflect on what it means to be free. So off they all venture, one foot after another, the 5 ducks with their friend, true sister or brother. Through puddles of laughter and meadows so wide, they learn from the snail how to savor each glide. Together they wander through days rich and bright, 5 colourful ducks with their companion alight. For life is not rushing but dancing instead. Each splash tells a story where joys gently spread.
That is how the moonlight fairies learn to glow. They say if you listen closely, you can still hear their soft humming.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hooram.